It's a very good evening, Andy. From today, starting from Tuesday, it means today, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. So these 3 days will be completely, we're going to have a discussion on HubSpot and AI futures in the HubSpot. So this will be a power pack session for you guys. So on the HubSpot, exclusively for HubSpot and AI power training. Okay. So basically, so here we are going to talk about maybe like only for today. So in next 1.5 hours, so we are going to talk more about like HubSpot, what is HubSpot, so how this HubSpot came into the market, okay, when this has came into market, okay, how it has become number one brand in the market, okay, so what are the features that which HubSpot that have. So we are going to talk more on this terms, okay. So it will be completely power packed session. It will be a theoretical session today. So starting from tomorrow, we'll be having hands-on training. Okay. So starting from tomorrow, as I said, so we'll be having completely training, hand-to-hand training session. So where you guys are also going to perform activities along with me. Okay. Okay. So let's jump into today's session. Okay. So today, like we are going to let's see the complete module, like what are all the things that we are going to discuss on HubSpot. Okay, so like we are going to start with introduction and overview on HubSpot. Okay, so basically in introduction we'll talk about actually what is HubSpot. Okay, so where HubSpot will be used. So basic thing we are going to talk. So then we are going to talk about key benefits of HubSpot. So what are the major benefits of HubSpot? Okay, so and how how this HubSpot can use in the industry. Okay, so which kind of businesses can use this tool. Okay, so we are going to talk more about on the benefits. Okay, how this tool is going to benefit for a companies to grow. Okay, and also to make the revenue. So we are going to talk on these terms. Then, so which kind of businesses are if you take like in the market, like which kind of businesses will use this, or why this HubSpot is going to be used in the used for the different businesses. We are going to talk on this, and then we are going to talk a bit about traditional marketing versus digital marketing versus inbound marketing. So we'll try to understand the differentiation between traditional, digital, and inbound. So once we are done, then we will understand about the marketing funnel. So what exactly the funnel? Okay. So in marketing, what are the different types of funnels we have? So we are going to discuss on this stuff. Then we are going to discuss on industry customer retention rate. Okay, if you give a better customer service, so what is the retention rate? Okay, so that's we are going to talk here. Next, how to create a free account in an HubSpot. So till here, I mean, till customer retention, we are going to discuss today. From tomorrow, we are going to have a detailed discussion, hands-on experience training program on how we are going to create, how we can create a free HubSpot CRM, I mean, HubSpot account, then practical knowledge about exploring, complete exploration of this HubSpot. Okay, so these are all the stuff that we are going to cover in next 2 days, including today. So in the 3 days training program. Okay, so let's jump into the understanding of the HubSpot. Okay, so basically, what do you mean by HubSpot? So what is particular like before going to the session? Okay, so let's say what is HubSpot? See, HubSpot is a platform, so where it is going to manage all type of activities. That means, let's say if you are running a company, okay, so if you need like marketing, if you need sales to be done in a proper way, okay, you want things to be executed in a proper direction, so you need this HubSpot tool. Okay, where this HubSpot platform will help us to manage all the stuffs which a company needed. So it may be a startup, it may be a private limited, or it may be an MNC. So whichever the companies fall under startup, mid-range companies, or it is an MNC company. So each and every okay companies can use this HubSpot. Okay, so here you will be having all type of tools. So you need not to look for, let's say, if you want an email marketing tool, so you need not to look for alternative tool if you opt for HubSpot. Similarly, if you need a CRM, you need not to look for a better CRM in the market. So where this HubSpot can have the best CRM tool. Similarly, if you need a ticketing system, okay, so if any customer raised any query, so where it automatically created tickets, the ticketing system is also there here. Similarly, you can build your own website. So if you are planning to build your own simple website, so you can build with the use of HubSpot. And if you're looking to build a landing pages for your ads, that may be a Google ads, or if you want to like generate a leads, okay, through different platforms, that may be a Google, that may be a like Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, whatever the platform it may be. So you can create a like landing pages, drive traffic over there, capture the leads through this lead farms. Okay, so it will be a completely a 360-degree tool that I can say. So you can perform all your marketing activities. So that's why we call this HubSpot tool as a power packed okay tool for a startup, or it may be a private limited, or if it is an MNC also. So this tool suits for all kind of companies. Okay, so where all like this HubSpot tool, as I said you, it brings all the tool together in a one platform. Okay, as I said you, if you are looking for a email, WhatsApp campaign, if you are looking for sales CRM, if you are looking for landing pages creation, or if you are looking for chatbot, or if you want to do an email, not only email blast. So if you're looking for email automation also, that can be done here. Okay, so if you want a chatbot to be built, you can build your own chatbot. So with the use of HubSpot too. And also, if you are looking for lead farms, okay, so you can build lead farms through this like HubSpot. So you can perform all these activities with the help of HubSpot too. Okay, so to run every business, see why we do businesses. Let's take an example. If you want to do, if you are, let's say, if you have a travel, let's take an example that you have a travel business. So what is your motto? So basically, you want to run a company in a systematic way to get the revenue or to generate the revenue. Okay, so same way, so if you are running a company, that may be a startup or private limited or any sort of company, if you want to run a company, you need to have a standard operating procedure. So to take care of all these stuffs which are going, what is going on, okay, whether things are falling on the right system or not. So all these stuffs can be taken care with the help of HubSpot tool. Okay, so if it is a marketing, if it is a sale, whatever it may be, okay, so everything can be tracked here. So including that, so customer feedback. Okay, so if they opt for your services or if they purchase your product, so if they want to give a feedback, so those feedback will come. Okay, the survey. So everything can be done with the use of this HubSpot tool. Okay, so that's why I have said so it suits for all kind of business sizes. As I said, you startup, private limited, or MNC, whichever it may be, it suits for all kind of businesses. Okay, as I said, it offers okay so different marketing tool, different tools such as marketing, sales, services, invoice, everything it will offer. Okay, so this is a quick overview about the HubSpot. Okay,